Welcome to POE, where precision means perfection. In today's connected world, a single soldering flaw can cost millions. But at POE, we've cracked the code to zero-defect manufacturing. Join me as we expose the top 3 PCBA soldering nightmares and review how POE turns them into reliability triumphs. Cold solder joints, the silent saboteur. Cold solder joint is a flawed connection formed during the soldering process when the solder does not melt completely or bound properly to the components or circuit board. These joints are weak, brittle, and prone to failure, posing significant risks to electronic reliability. It might look harmless, but it is a ticking time bomb. POE's solution: Smart Nitrogen Reflow Soldering. Our nitrogen ovens maintain around 1 degree Celsius temperature uniformity, while nitrogen gas banish oxidation. Every joint shines like gold, 100% oxidation free, 0% risk. And with our AOI system, even nanoscale faults get caught before your product leaves our facility. Solder bridging: when tiny mistakes cause speed fires. Solder bridging, a microscopic splash of hexane that can melt your profits. One bridge equals short circuits, fires, and mountains of scrap. POE fights back with our stencil technology. Our laser cut stencil, coated with anti-adhesive nanoparticles, ensure less than 3% pace deviation. No spills, no bridges, just flawless connections. Component misalignment. Precision matters. Component misalignment occurs during PCB assembly, when electronic components such like resistor, capacitors, ICs are not placed accurately on their designated solder paste. Even minor deviation can lead to electrical shorts, signal integrity issues, and mechanical failures. To avoid those problems, POE enhanced process control. We have regular calibrate pick-and-place machines daily using certified calibration standards, and we do solder paste inspection. Use 3D SPI machines to verify solder paste deposition accuracy before component placement. Also, POE will have advanced quality checks, automatic optical inspection (AOI) to scan boards post-placement to flag misaligned components. For hidden joints like BGA components, POE use X-ray systems to verify alignment. At POE, we don't just make PCBA, we reinvent reliability. Smart process, 100% traceability, ISO certified. Our clients achieve 99% first pass yield, saving time, money, and reputations. Ready to eliminate soldering risk? Let POE be your shield.